Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Akpeje. Today I'm doing grilled chicken, so I want you to do this with me. So for the chicken, I'm using chicken wings and chicken breast. So I'm adding some lemon juice, then I'll stir it to mix the lemon juice with the chicken very well. Ooh, one has fall down. Then I'll mix this very well. So that's chicken wings, and then the chicken breast, I'll mix it very well and start seasoning it. So guys, it's time to season it. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to each before I'll start seasoning it, so that the seasoning can enter the chicken inside very well. So that's my chicken. So I'll start by seasoning it. I'm using onion powder for each, garlic powder, complete seasoning, curry powder, black pepper, chili pepper. This, I want the chicken to be hot. I want that hotness inside the chicken. That's why I'm using this. So if you don't like hot, avoid it. I'm using 1 Maggi, and then seasoning salt. You can use salt instead of this. Oregano, masala seasoning or ground masala. This seasoning is very good if you are about to grill chicken. It's very good for chicken, so get some. Paprika. Then I'll go ahead and mix everything very well. I'll mix the seasoning with the chicken very well. So this chicken, I'm not going to use it today. I will use it the next day, but I want the seasoning to go inside very well before I grill it. So I'll just do it like this and package it and put it down for tomorrow. I'll put it inside the fridge. Tomorrow I'll just take it and put it on my baking tray and bake it. But if you are in hurry, you can do it and put it down like 30 minutes, then you start baking it. So guys, the day has come, so I just land my baking pan inside with some cling film. Then I'll start arranging my chicken on it nicely before putting it inside the oven. At this point, I've on my oven like 30 minutes now, so my oven is already hot. So I've finished arranging my chicken. I'll just use another cling film to cover it very well. Guys, if you are watching up to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give your girl a thumbs up, share the video, like the video, support your girl. Thank you so much for your support already. So now I finished cover it, so I'll just go ahead and put it inside the oven like 1 hour. Guys, 1 hour later, see what we have here. The chicken is juicy, the aroma is everywhere. You can use it to eat anything. Thank you.